Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable LED plus for alert on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to LED plus for alert. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in LED plus for alert, okay, you can see the plus for incoming calls and plus for receive message. And okay guys, to enable the plus for incoming calls and plus for receive message, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the LED plus for alert on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this plus for incoming calls and plus for receive message. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully enable or disable LED plus for alert on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.